Strings of actions. 1. Look at the picture and name the action. Reading, writing, eating, washing hands, drinking tea, sleeping, running, jumping, walking, singing, dancing, sweeping the floor, closing the door, climbing a tree, crying, smiling, waving, riding a horse, laughing, driving a car. 2. Listen carefully and learn to play the game of strings of actions. Teacher: Neha, come forward. Mime an action and say what you are doing. Neha: I am closing the door. Mines. Teacher: Good. Keep doing it. Ashutosh, now come here. Now mime another action. Say what Neha's doing. And also what you are doing. Ashutosh: Neha is closing the door and I'm washing my hands. Mines. Swapna: Neha is closing the door. Ashutosh is washing his hands. And I am crying. Mines. Ketan: Neha is closing the door. Ashutosh is washing his hands. Swapna is crying and I am singing.